two-story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ventilated seats, panorama sunroof. Take a ride in the 2020 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, panoramic roof, power retractable running boards, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable pedals, MP3 player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.